Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I received in the mail a new package of some silver coinage that I'm looking forward to exploring, opening, unboxing today with you. Actually, I don't even know what it is because I did order it. I ordered it from SilverGoldBull.ca, and I ordered over 500 bucks, so I got it shipped for free. And I paid with Bitcoin, which has dropped about 15% since I paid for it, so that's nice because I've locked in a bit of profits that way. But I don't even know what it is because some of the purchases that I selected were mystery boxes. There was a $21.22 per mystery round was one of the things I selected. So I bought 20 mystery rounds, which could be a lot of different rounds. They're probably Sunshine Mint because Sunshine Mint is usually the cheapest, but they could be a few different things, so that's exciting. And I know I got a couple Sunshine Mint Christmas rounds, which I'm excited about. There's a sleigh and there's a Santa, I think. And I also got a little bit of U.S. constitutional silver. So we'll check it out together. I'm going to pause and unlock this box. This is my second order that I've ordered through Sunshine Mint, through SilverGoldBull.ca, and they've been fast, they've been efficient. I've got nothing bad to say about them, except it does seem their prices are a little bit higher than the average bear. Unfortunately, as a Canadian citizen, I have very little recourse because much of these mints and the silver and gold that we can get online come out of the US, and being Canadian, I don't want to deal with duties and this type of thing, so I end up paying Canadian prices, which is a little bit marked up. So this, like I said earlier, I paid about $21 Canadian per 1 troy ounce, which is like $17 US, which is a little bit marked up. But I paid with Bitcoin. I had it shipped to my house, and I can trust the authenticity, and the weight is going to be accurate, and the quality non-problematic. So what do we got here? I got a bag of something, which might be a couple individual rounds, and 20 in a tube, it says here. And this is obviously the chocolate that they give to their purchasers. 21 ounce assorted silver rounds. Let's see. Let's start here. It's like Christmas came early. Oh, here we go. Oh, beautiful. They included these plastic covers. So this is one of the Christmas rounds I was talking about. I think you can see that. Let's see. Snowflake back. Quite beautiful. It says 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. It's got a picture of Santa on the back there. It says Christmas joy. Indeed. Real physical money. Real wealth right there. Then I got a Sunshine Mint. What is this? A replica Morgan. They're beautiful. And you can see it says SMI at the bottom for Sunshine Mint. And it's got the circle because they're not trying to counterfeit, they're just trying to make a replica. And then another Christmas coin. This one, instead of Santa, has a little sleigh and people enjoying the park. Beautiful. Season's greetings. Indeed. Yeah, love it. So there's 3 ounces there. And I got a dollar face because I believe junk silver is not junk at all. Nice. It feels so cool. I love the feel of silver. The sound when it clinks together. When it just everything about it, it's amazing. In terms of what do I got here? I got 1964 quarter, 1946 quarter. Wow, this one's a 26. This one's kind of in rough shape, to be honest. That's a shame, because that's definitely lost a little bit of weight from its wear, from its conditioning. But the others seem like they're in fine condition. That's a 26. I think they're called standing liberties. No, I might be mistaken about that. And the last one, another quarter. This one's a 63. So a 63, a 64, a 46, and a 26. Dollar face, which is about point at 90. These are 90%. At 90% silver, a dollar face equates to about 0.7 troy ounces. And then hey, gorgeous.
Hello. What's inside there?
Silver.
Can I watch the shows on your market?
Not yet. I'll come down after I'm done this, and we can do something together. Okay?
How long your markets ago?
I already said. Ooh, these are 20 assorted rounds, which means I don't even know what they are. 1 troy ounce sprott. This is sprott.
They're very heavy. They're very heavy, right?
Yes, they are. Where is this from? I don't even know where this is from.
How come I can't go on the iPad?
I answered your question already, honey. Please don't repeat yourself.
My mom actually let me do it.
That's enough, okay? Stop repeating yourself about that. What did I say? These are all... Don't try and get that. This little rascal tried to steal my silver gold bull chocolate. You can have a bite of it. Not right now. So this is 21 troy ounces of the exact same. They said that in the purchase that might be the case. 1 troy ounce, 999 fine. Sprott is what it says. So it's obviously a Canadian mint. Maybe they do it. I actually don't know. I guess maybe Sprott is the name of the mint. I don't know. We'll see. I'll look onto it. I'll Google it later and we'll find out more. But either way, this is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 troy ounces of 999 silver to add to the stack and store my wealth in physical, tangible assets.
Look at this
like
one.
silver. Yeah, that one's beautiful. It's a Christmas one. Look at this picture of a person. Another look at this. Who's that?
Abraham.
No, it's not Abraham. It is, who's he? Ho, ho, ho. That's right, Santa. So that's it, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for your time and attention. Buy some silver. These prices are crazy. The stock market's taking a beating. It's only the beginning, guys. Sell the rallies and sell the rallies on the stocks and buy the dips on the metals. Move into something that's physical. Either that or buy yourself some Bitcoin and hold on to a real an asset that can change the life of you and anybody else that invests in it. Really believe that. Thanks, guys. God bless you.